Hello guys, welcome to Cyberman443 official YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna show you how to install and configure Flutter with Android Studio. And we will download Flutter, we'll install it, we will download Android Studio, we'll install, then we'll install some plugins, and also we will run our first program inside Android Studio. Okay, first, maybe you know about Flutter. Flutter is a framework sponsored by Google. It's working according to Dart language. That is one of the object-oriented language. So it's so easy to learn, and it's working for mobile app, desktop app, web app, and iOS. Now it's time to go and install Flutter. We'll open our browser, and here we will type Flutter. Here we can see we have Flutter.page. We just will open it in a new tab and we'll search Android Studio now. Here you can see Android Studio site is here, developer.androidstudio.com, and we'll use it to download. Here you can see our sites are open perfectly. Flutter, Android Studio, we'll go to Flutter, just get started. Here you can see we have different downloads for different operating systems, macOS, Linux, or even Chrome OS and Windows. We'll click on Windows because in this video we're going to install it in Windows. As you see, Windows installation, system requirements, Windows 10 or later, disk space 1.64 GB, and tools we need, Windows PowerShell that we have by default in Windows, and Git for Windows that I downloaded, but we will click on it to show you how to download it. Here you can see git.scm.com. You can download for your operating system like 32-bit or 64-bit. Just click on 64-bit and you're installing Git is just like any other system. Okay, next, get the Flutter SDK. Just we'll click on it and it will be downloaded. Yeah, here you can see, but I had downloaded this file, so I don't need, because I don't want to waste your time with my slow internet speed. Next thing we have extract the zip file. The best thing about Flutter is Flutter has the best documentation, even more than a lot of other frameworks and languages, because it's sponsored by Google and it is documented by Google developers or Google documenters. Next thing we have extract the zip file and match mode. Here you can see we have different ways. Okay, one we can download it, and the other one we can get Flutter by just git clone HTTPs. Also, we install Git, just go to PowerShell, git clone HTTP. I can show you here. Just copy this one. Make sure that you're in a like CD and D, and here Ctrl V and enter. It will be, yeah, it will download Flutter for cloning and Flutter and much more. I wanna stop it because I don't need, because I downloaded it, you know, here. And next thing, update your path. Okay, next thing we have to do is I will go to my downloads, compressed. Here you can see I have Flutter Windows 3.2 stable. We just extracted here. I did, and this is my folder. And just copy it and go to your local disk C. And here just create a folder. You can copy here, but it's better to create another folder, special folder for Flutter. Just I did create programming. Just click on it, and here you can see I just copied it. But you can just paste it here and it's okay. Next thing we have to do, we have to add Flutter to our path because it's not .exe file and it's not installed, so our Windows doesn't know what it is. And like I will go to my path just search path, edit the system environment, or you can go by PC properties and advanced system settings and environment variables. Okay, just go to paths and here add your Flutter path. Okay, what we have to add here, just we'll go to our folder for programming Flutter and come to bin folder. Here you can see it. Just enter and copy this destination file, Control C, or just copy, and here come to your variables, new, and Control V. Because I have it, here, so I think I don't need it. So just okay. Now, if we go to PowerShell again, to understand that what is Flutter version. Yeah, you can see that Flutter version Flutter 3.0.2 and much more. It's me now, or computer no Flutter, and Flutter is installed. What we have in Flutter documentation and XSD, okay, we're Flutter Dart and okay, Flutter repo. Flutter release channels, okay, they are done. The next step, we have to use Flutter Doctor, but not for now. We have to do the other step, Android Studio set. Here you can see we have Android Studio site. Just click download and accept the license agreements and click download. It will be downloaded. Our Flutter application is downloading, but we will pause it or even cancel it for now, because I had downloaded Android Studio to not waste your time. Just we'll close the Chrome, we'll go to file folders here, and in downloads we have programs, and here we have Android Studio. Just we'll click on it and we'll launch our installer. Next, and here I want to change the location to usable installed apps, because my local disk C is just 100 gigabytes, so it's not. Please select an empty folder to install Android Studio. Okay, install the apps, and here I want to create Android Studio. Okay, and next, install. As you see, our Android Studio setup has been installed successfully, as you see, completed. And we will click next and finish. We will start Android Studio. Okay, some sticky components are downloading. As you see, guys, our Android Studio downloads finished, and it took me about, I think, half to maybe 1 hour or even more. I don't know, even maybe time. Okay, so we click the finish button, and now as you see, Android Studio installed successfully, and now we are in welcome page of Android Studio. Here we can create new Flutter project, new project about other frameworks or language, so open a project, or we can customize our themes, sync with OS, ID, font, or I want to change it to 14. Yeah, it's okay. And key map, Windows, Eclipse, and match mode plugins. We have to install different plugins, especially for this video. I want to install Dart. As you see, Dart can, but we didn't install it. Here you can see it in installed part, because we didn't install these plugins in another video that is all about Android Studio. If you're not familiar with Android Studio, if you're new to it, I will put the link in the section below in the description, that you can go to Code Editor's playlist and watch it. Okay, we have installed Dart and Flutter, and here we have another section for learning Android Studio, Android Studio help, getting started, demos and screencasts, and much more. Here we have settings, edit custom properties, and etc. Okay, we can create new Flutter project. So I will click on new Flutter project, and here we have to specify our Flutter SDK path. Just we'll go to here disk C programming or Flutter folder, and it's done. Just next. Here we specify our Flutter project name, like our first Flutter app, and here project location. Usually I will change it like for another disk because my disk C space is full. I will create a new folder because your Flutter project as like this, your Flutter project's location folder has to be uppercase, lowercase, and some I changed my project location because my local disk C space is full. Here I will create Flutter projects. Just OK, and here we have OK, and we'll add some description. We can type them project type, application is OK, organization it's not for now, it's when you upload it in Play Store. Okay, we hit finish button. As you see, Android Studio is creating our Flutter project, but we can create a project just with our PowerShell too. Okay, we doesn't need 100% Android Studio to create Flutter. Like I'll go to disk E because my Flutter projects are here, and next Flutter projects. Yeah, here you can see brought some folders, and just hit enter, and Flutter create a second project. Just hit enter, and the term Flutter is not recognized. Oh, we misspelled Flutter. Yeah. Yeah, our Flutter project has been created. Run Flutter Doctor. It will run Flutter Doctor in that project, and some useful plugins will be installed in that project. Will show us some different things that we have about running Flutter. Like we don't have Android Toolchain, we have Flutter, we have Chrome, we have Visual. We don't have Visual Studio. We have Android Studio, connected devices are 2 when Chrome and not 1 Windows SDK. Okay, the next thing that I want to do is going to terminal, and here my projects, we will click on project files, and here we have our Flutter projects different files. Okay, next thing we can do is okay, our Flutter project has been created successfully, and next thing we have is here we have SDK Manager. SDK Manager is for different SDK if you want to install. Here you can see we have Android API actual. Android API 13 is installed, and Android 12. The next thing we have is Device Manager. Here we have to select our Android SDK toolkit, and by that our application will be run. Here you can see our second project has been created inside our Flutter project. Here you can see this is our second project, and we did right wrong destination for it. Okay, we'll close this and we'll delete this. Delete. So okay, here as we clicked Device Manager, there are some devices that we have. We can create a new device or physical device by powering to our Wi-Fi or network. Like you can use your phone as Android toolkit too. but we have some virtual devices, so as you see here, virtual. I did download a virtual device because one of my other videos that was about using Flutter with Visual Studio, and I used Android Studio's toolkit with it. So because of that, I installed that. You can create a new device. Just create here. Here, select your phone type. Like I did use Nexus 6, but I'll use Pixel 4 for now. And yeah, next. Here we have different categories you can select. Also, we have different Android versions and API label, like Android API 22, Android 12, Android 11, and much more. Just select one of them. Like I want to select this one. Here you can see it's downloading that Android API for you. But because I have one, so I don't want to waste my time for downloading a new one because my internet is too slow. We will cancel it now, and okay, the next thing we will have is just clicking next, and it will be finished. Okay, we'll cancel it now. We use just this device Nexus 6 API 30 that I downloaded in another video. Okay, just launch, and it will be launched. Here, as you can see, our emulator has been launched successfully. Here we have different selections like view mode, window, because I don't want to use in that section, and I want to make it a little bigger. Just a minute. Yeah, it's our emulator. We'll bring this here, and yeah, as you can see, oh, this application is from one of other videos. Okay, it's been launched, and this simulator has been terminated. Our Flutter is launching. It will be here for next seconds. Yeah, here is our first Flutter application in Android Studio. We have different commands here, how to reload, how to restart, and there are different commands that when you learn Flutter more and more, you will understand. Okay, I will just minimize it. I want to change some parts, like here, Flutter demo, our first Flutter application, and just will hit the R button, the power to load our first Flutter application you can see, and much more. Here we have you will learn all of them in Flutter, of course. Okay, if you wanna start some Flutter fundamental or advanced courses, just subscribe to this channel. We will have the next days. Okay, I want to change this part too, like I love you this many times, and at R here, and I love you this many times. Just every time we touch, this will increase, and here we have expand. Okay, congratulations, we installed Flutter and we ran our first Flutter application. And if you're a beginner, I hope you're all the best, and I hope you be one of the best programmers in the future. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, for sponsoring my videos. Just subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button, share the video to your friends. Thank you guys, and we will see you next video.